Good morning, student. Today we will discuss different factors influencing location of an industries. My dear student, industrial locations are complex in nature. Each industry has different needs related to its different factors like raw material, power, transportation, capital, skill, personnel, etc. So these are influenced by the availability of many factors, as I told you. Usually an industry is located at a place where it gets easy resources, skilled manpower and lower investment cost, and therefore generates maximum profitability. Hence, a lot of planning is involved before establishing an industrial unit in a specific locality. So, the factors affecting location of an industry are classified into two groups. First, geographical factors, and second, non-geographical factors. Geographical factors. In geographical factors, we include land, climate, availability of raw materials, means of power in order to reach the market, and also the sources where raw material are available. Each geographical factors is important if we are talking about land. As I told you, each factor, whether land, capital, and so on, factors are important. If we are talking about the first geographical factors, that is land. Land must be flat and well served by adequate transport facilities. If we are talking about climate, climate is also important, and location of an industry like very harsh climate are not suitable for the successful industrial growth. Raw material. Raw materials are one of the important factors in an industrial location. Means of power, as you know, conventional or non-conventional in nature, is a necessity for any industrial establishment. So these are the geographical factors. It's very important for location of an industries. Now, non-geographical factors. These includes government policies, capital, management, banking, labor, and developed means of transport and insurance. If we are talking about the availability of transport, availability of easy transportation always influences the location of an industries. So the junction points of waterways, roadways, and railways become humming centers of industrial activities. Availability of labor or skilled workforce is the success mantra for the growth of all industries, because labor is very important. And of course, capital or huge investment is needed for the establishment of industry, because if you want to purchase the labor, payment for the purchase of land, payment for the labor, purchasing of machines, etc., we needed capital. Government policy is also very important. Like the government sets certain restriction in the allocation of land for industries in order to reduce regional disparities or to control excessive pollution and to avoid the excessive clustering of industries in big cities. So government policy also influence the industrial location or location of industry. Efficient management are essential for running modern industry successfully. The location that has better banking facilities and insurance are best for the establishment of industries. My dear students, industries tend to be located at places where favorable factors overweigh the unfavorable factors. Means if any people want to set up their industry, they should find favorable factors more as compared to unfavorable factor. So here we will discuss what do you mean by the industrial region. When number of industries are located at one place, this place is known as industrial region. When different favorable factors are available, the number of people want to locate their industry. So at one place, if the number of industries are located, this place is known as industrial region. Now, if we're talking about the industrial region in the world, so many industrial regions are found in the world. For example, Eastern region of North America, Silicon Valley of North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Asia, Southern and Southeastern Asia, Gulf region of Western Asia, Western and Southern Africa, and Eastern region of South America. These are some important industrial regions in the world. If we're talking about the India, what are the industrial regions in India? For example, Mumbai-Pune region, Hooghly region, Bangalore-Tamil Nadu region, Gujarat region. In Gujarat, basically, we are talking about the Ahmedabad, Vadodara and Surat region, Chota Nagpur region, Gurgaon, Delhi, Meerut region, Visakhapatnam, Guntur region, Kollam, Tiruvananthapuram region. So these are some industrial region of the world as well as India also. In the next video, we will discuss some major industries of the world. Thank you and have a nice day.